Hey, this is Myra, and we are in the last step of the onboarding for TweetHustler now. In this step, please make sure that you fulfill all requirements so that TweetHustler can function properly, which means log into Twitter or X in your Firefox, log into Discord in your Firefox, and also log into Telegram in your Firefox. Those are links for the web versions of all those three. And that's because TweetHustler impersonates you and it can only see what you can see in the browser. So therefore you need to be logged in so that TweetHustler can actually engage for you. And also please make sure to use English as browser language in your Firefox browser. If you don't know how, you can click on this link here and this brings you to the Firefox help page that shows you how. And then scroll down, please, and provide your Telegram handle or your username on Telegram. So in my case, that's Productivity Hackers, and without the ad. Also you can reach out to me anytime if you have questions. Always happy to help. And we are setting this up because TweetHustler is able to auto-post your links into Telegram groups, which means all you need to do is enter your tweet link into TweetHustler. I'm going to show you later how. And click one button, and then the engagement and the auto-posting is done for you. And we're adding the username so that people can see who posted the link. And once you've done this, please click on the big orange button that says click here when you're done. I'm done, so I'm clicking on it. And this enables all features in your TweetHustler. And please make sure to watch the next videos to see how all the awesome features actually work that help you to get your time back.